don'ts of having a thunderstorm warning is the do's are get your flashlights ready, shut your windows, and shut all your doors.
And the don'ts are do not leave your door open and keep your children inside. If you're driving with a car, stay inside your car. It's safer inside there. Now stop.
We reach 2,760 degrees Celsius. A lightning bolt can strike from 25 miles away. There can also be hail, lightning, and thunder at the same time. There's around 16 million thunderstorms.
Thunderstorm is you have to turn off all electronic appliances, avoid using telephone, and you don't hold anything metal, and you don't stay low. You have to stay low.
You don't want to stand under a tree, because if you stand under a tree, you get struck and you fall. So you want to stand like the tree's length away from the tree, so you have less of a chance of being hit. This is tree. This is guy. Guy standing under tree. That's bad.
When it rains, get out your umbrella. Here are some pictures of